welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a October Boxycharm unboxing video. This month's theme is After Dark, and you can kind of tell that Boxycharm is implementing some changes just because of this full little sheet here. As you can tell, there's not a picture or anything that goes with After Dark. It's just After Dark in black and white, and then just the description of the items and the prices. And down here they said they're doing a bigger Boxycharm box called Boxycharm Premium. It's worth over $175 value for only $35. With Boxycharm 2.0, you'll have better customization and more choice. With the value, you'll receive 5 beauty products worth over $125 for only $25 per month starting November 1st. And that's actually not that bad. I'm assuming the Boxycharm 2.0 is going to be what the regular Boxycharm is starting in November. It's gonna go up $4 more, so it's gonna be $25 a month starting November 1. And we're gonna be able to receive foundation and concealer products matched to your skin tone, as if you went to the store. You can swatch different shades of the complexion blister pack that we will send in your November Boxy. And like I said, choice. Now each charmer gets the chance to choose every month. During the choice window, choose one product you'd like to receive, and Boxylux subscribers get the chance to choose 1 to 3 products in their next Boxylux. Add-ons, you don't need to get only one of the options. Add on all the other awesome options at the amazing price of $3 to $18 each. Now shop Boxy Pop-Up every quarter. Enjoy makeup, skincare, and lifestyle products at up to 80% off at the next Boxy Pop-Up in November. So if you want to see what I got in this month's Boxycharm and watch my review of the products, then just keep watching and we'll get on to the video. So yeah, I got 5 products in the box as always, and the first thing I'm going to start off with is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist Radiant Dew. So this is definitely not a toner. It's like the mist that you spray on your face. Some people will use it to set their makeup. Some people use it to hydrate their face. I'm going to be using it just to hydrate my face and like prep myself for moisturizer. It's a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin, enriched with antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascena rose. This refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing the skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. And this retails for $35. So I'm gonna spray all of this over my face, and this is also a full-size product. It smells like peppermint. It smells so good. It reminds me of like winter time. I love peppermint so much, guys. The mist is pretty fine, so I really like that. My skin feels pretty refreshed. You can also set your makeup with that, and that's what I'm gonna do after I finish my makeup today. So yeah, while this dries, I'm gonna go ahead and open the next product. Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm by Touch & Soul. Boxycharm gives out a lot of Touch & Soul products, and I really like Touch & Soul. I think their packaging is so cute. And I think they're a Korean brand, I'm not sure. It's an ultra hydrating, priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. And this retails for $32. The last of a skincare routine, apply evenly to the face as needed to achieve dewy and glowing skin. Applying 2 or 3 times allows for even longer lasting wear. The packaging is already super cute. Look at this. Ah, so cute. It's classy at the top. Oh, interesting. Ooh. It's definitely balm-like for sure. It's like a lotion. It smells like vanilla. My nose senses suck. And I did also just put lotion on my hands, so I don't know if I'm smelling that or this. But it does smell like vanilla. This much. And put that all over my face. It feels really thick. And I'm really used to like water-based moisturizers, like the Clinique one. I've used the Neutrogena one, and I really like gel moisturizer, so I'm kind of like not used to this lotion-like feeling. It kind of smells like baby powder too. I can't really tell. You don't want to forget your neck when you do your skincare routine. I learned that when I was younger. I used to have really bad acne. I tried the Mary Kay skincare line, and it worked for a while, but I ended up like just not using it because I think I used like Proactive or something after, because my acne got really bad. They just always taught me to really focus on not only my face but also my neck, just because your neck also does age. The wrinkles on your neck get really apparent, as well as, you know, the wrinkles on your skin. So to combat that, moisturize your neck. But yeah, it feels really thick. I think it's definitely gonna be great for the winter. And I don't know if I would go for this normally, just because I really like gel-based moisturizers because they're so lightweight and they don't feel like super heavy. But I'll probably start using this after my Clinique one runs out. So definitely if you have drier skin, I think you're gonna love this. That's pretty much it for the face products. The last thing that I'm gonna show you that's not makeup is I got these tweezers. Really, Boxycharm did not need tweezers, but I guess it's fine. I can just give it away to my sister or something. But and I actually think I've gotten these before, which kind of upset I got these, but it's fine. So these are the Cella slanted tip tweezers. That's it. They're retail for $20. I have so many tweezers. I usually use the Anastasia one, and that one is awesome. Like, I will never replace that because it's just so sharp and precise. But I don't really like these kinds of tweezers because, like, first of all, the shape is really weird. And you really have to like put a lot of pressure to like close the tweezer. I don't really tweeze my eyebrows. I only tweeze them to clean them up, just because, as you can tell, I don't really have any eyebrows, so not a lot of maintenance goes on these. I couldn't even get that hair. Yeah, I don't like these. It's so hard to close. So yeah, guys, that's a disappointment, but it's cool, it's whatever. I'm actually gonna do the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I will come back to use the rest of the products in the back. Hey guys, so I just finished my face makeup, and I do not like the way that my face feels because of the skin balm. My face feels super oily. I think that's because I definitely put on too much, but I think if you're someone with me, with my skin type, I think that you definitely need only a dime size amount, or else it's gonna feel super oily, and I did not like how my makeup applied because I just felt, I feel so greasy right now. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face makeup and then put on my highlighter with the Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. I don't know how well this will make my skin feel because I already feel hydrated and oily, so. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit, and then I'm gonna put on my highlighter and then do the rest of the products in the box. Okay, so on to the next thing. Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. I'm really excited for the brand, but not so much the palette. This is the Baked Browns palette. I looked at it, and I have a lot of brown eyeshadows in my other palettes. Very similar colors to these. So that's why I was really excited for it. If I would have gotten like a different color scheme, it would have been better, but it's fine. So this is the 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks, and this retails for $32. Try to create a cute look here. I feel like my energy is so low in this video. I'm just so mad about that skin balm and like my face and my makeup. Very chalky, a lot of fallout. I'm so I'm finished with my makeup. I actually really liked the Dose of Colors palette. The colors were actually really nice. I could definitely see myself using that a lot for fall. I pretty much underestimated the colors in the palette. Shame on me, but yeah, I really like the palette. The only thing that I didn't like about it was that the highlighter color, which is this one. I think that's Tea Light. You couldn't really see it on me. I tried to put it in my inner corners and on my brow bone. It might be because of my skin tone or just because it's not that opaque. And the last thing I didn't like is that the palette has a lot of fallout. However, I didn't see any fallout on my face after I used it, and that's probably because I tapped the excess on my brush off before I applied the shadows. Other than the fallout, like everything's fine, like they're really buttery and pigmented except for that one highlight color, but yeah, not something I'd definitely, go out of my way to buy, but it's, something good to test, and I'm glad that I could review it for you guys so that you know if you want to buy it or not. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to be testing is the Iconic London Lip Plumping Lip Gloss. The ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The High Shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. And this retails for $26. So I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. It's like a light pink color right here, if you can see that. It's really pretty. Let's go ahead and use it. I like the color, it looks super natural. And I definitely feel it plumping up my lips because it feels like peppermint. I don't know guys, do my lips look plump? It actually is not sticky at all. It feels really good on the lips. And it feels very lightweight, which I like. So yeah guys, that is my October Boxycharm unboxing video. So final thoughts, the Dew Mist. I do actually want to mention that after I set my face with this, my face actually feels not matte, but definitely set. Like I do not feel any of the greasiness that I felt after I used the Touch in Soul Skin Balm, which I was really surprised about. I don't feel oily at all. This definitely cured that, so I actually really like this. Other favorites is probably gonna be the Plumping Lip Gloss. It's a super natural color. It looks really nice on the lips. I am wearing a lip liner underneath, but it looks really pretty over that, and it will probably look really good alone and over other lipsticks as well. And I would even wear this for everyday wear. And I do think that it gives your lips a little plump. So the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette, it was alright. Like I said, I have a lot of those colors, but if you don't own a lot of palettes, you're probably gonna like it. It's just the only thing about it is that one light shade. The Tea Light shade is not very opaque, and there's kind of a lot of fallout when you dip your brush into the pan. And once you tap it off before applying it, I didn't really get fallout on my face. So all these shades are very pigmented as well. And it's gonna be great for, well, at least the palette that I got, the Baked Browns, I think those shades are gonna be great for fall, which is coming up. Or we're actually already in fall, but it's gonna be great for this season. The Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Thought it was okay. I think you're definitely gonna love it as a moisturizer or a primer. If you have dry skin, if you have oily skin, I think you might like it as well. Just make sure that you put only like a dime size amount on your face because it's a thick moisturizing balm. So, but yeah, and the last thing, the tweezers. I'm pretty sure I've gotten those tweezers from Boxycharm before, maybe a different color, but I personally didn't like them, didn't need them. If you don't have tweezers already, you might like them, but I personally didn't like them. I'm gonna be giving them away to my sister or someone. But yeah, that is my final verdict, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and let me know in the comments or like my video if you like these kinds of videos. My Boxycharm videos are my least watched videos, so I don't know if I should keep making them. I do like making them, but maybe I should do something different about them. But yeah, let me know if you still want to see more of these or if you're enjoying them. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!